Heilind Electronics is now stocking highly accurate temperature measurement and control products from Probes Unlimited Incorporated. PUI's products include thermocouples for durable and accurate sensing in a wide range of applications, RTDs for applications requiring precision and stability, thermistors for cost-effective sensing, and thermal switches for easy on-off control of heaters, pumps, and other devices. PUI also integrates these sensors into ready-to-use probe assemblies with protective housings, connectors, and mounting hardware, temperature transmitters that convert measurements into standardized outputs for easy system integration, and accessories and components including connectors, cables, and mounting hardware. Probes Unlimited invests in research and development to continuously improve existing products and introduce new technology. They also offer custom designs, combining their decades of experience, materials expertise, rapid prototyping services, and advanced manufacturing capabilities to deliver a temperature sensor tailored to the application.